arriving to a special place in Germany. So enjoy the tour, and we will see us if I'm arriving there. So have fun. See you there. If you're on a trip, then you have some time to time, some places where you can stay and live. This time I was in a short or little Airbnb, and it was really nice and comfy. You can go straight through, had a really tiny but beautiful bathroom. You can see here the kitchen. Everything was there what you need. It was really, really nice. I cooked a lot in this week there. I stayed there, and I had a comfy bed. The first night was a bit confusing, loud because the smoke detector was running, but all in all it was really, really nice. Next day we started with our lounge, and our new brand was starting. We had a lot of orders in there, so we ran through this whole warehouse, and my colleague and I had a lot of fun to get everything together and pick every up and find the right device what we want to sell and where we get the orders. We also had some issues at our lunch day because it was not that easy, and some customers complained a bit, but all in all it was a really successful first day and start, and we could bring a lot of orders to the post office and then shipped in their way. So we hope you enjoy that as well, and give some nice touch if you have some new ideas and so on.